Alhamdulillah. What's your name?
Ethan.
Ethan.
Yeah.
So Ethan is reverting to Islam today. Anyone forcing you, Ethan?
No.
Willingly you doing it?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
16. Okay, that's fine. Alhamdulillah. Right, okay, he came with his friends at Jummah time. I should have come at Jummah time to done in front of everyone, but anyway, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to read Arabic phrase.
Yeah.
You're going to read with me, I'll go nice. Okay, don't go fast. And then after that, give me translation. You read Arabic phrase with me as well and the English one as well. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Bismillah. Ashhadu
أشهد
an
أن
la
لا
ilaha sharika
شريك
lahu.
له
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن
أن
محمدا
محمدا
عبده
عبده
ورسوله
ورسوله
ورسوله. Now I'm going to keep reading.
Okay.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no God
that there is no God
but Allah.
but Allah.
He is alone
He is alone
and He has no partner.
and He has no partner.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the messenger
is the messenger
and the servant of Allah.
and the servant of Allah.
Welcome to
Alhamdulillah.